Yes, food and health. Food and health. Yes. Yeah. To live, we need food. Yes, children, we need food. That too, healthy food. We need very healthy food to live healthy. Yes. 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 Now in the period of Corona, we all are taking healthy food. We are taking spicy food. Why? To fight with the virus. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. So. We have to eat a good food, nutritious food, and we should not eat the stale food. Stale ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಳಸಿದ್ದು ತಿನ್ನಬಾರ್ದು. We should not eat the outside food, junk food, which will affect our health. Yes, it will affect our digestive system. It will affect our whole part of the body. So we have to eat good food, homemade food, cleaned food, and fresh food items you have to eat. Yes, yes. So food and health. That is lesson number 5. I think you have completed your fair, all the phase. Sir, 4 lessons you have completed. Yes. In between there are some worksheets. Try to answer them. Yes, they may come in your examination, in your test. Yes. Just you see the question, find out the answer. You have answered all the question assessments. You can answer that worksheet easily. So answer the worksheet. Yes. Now fill the blanks by choosing the correct word from the bracket. Here there are some 3 fill the blanks. You answer them with me. Okay. Food is essential for all. Here non-living things, living things. Yes. Food. Who will eat food? Living things will eat or non-living things will eat? So, non-living things or living things? Living things eat food. So, put underline for the living things and write in the dash living. Yes. Next, food contains different nutrients and juice required by the body. Food contains nutrients, juice. What does food contain? Nutrients. Our body or food contains nutrients required by the body. So you answer in the blank. You write nutrients. You write in the blank nutrients. Yes, he is telling you to choose which is correct answer. Okay. Different proteins, nutrients have different functions, pathways in the body. So here different nutrients have different function pathways. So different nutrients. First one is nutrients ಗೆ underline ಮಾಡಿ. Nutrients ಗೆ underline ಮಾಡಿ. Different nutrients have different functions. And functions. Yes, functions in the body. So these are the blanks. You fill them. Yes, now let us go to the lesson now. Yes, we need to eat food every day. The food we eat cannot be used by our body directly. It has to be broken down. It has to be broken down into simpler substance by the process of digestion. So, what is happening here? Here, we need, it is our basic necessity, food. We need food. If we are not eating food, our body parts will not work and we will break down. We will fall down. Yes. So, we have to eat food regularly, daily. Yes. And food we eat, which is not directly, it is not used by our body directly. ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾರು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತದೋ ಫೈನ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌತ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಆ ಫೈನ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಈಸೋಫ್ಯಾಗಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಸ್ಟೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ digestion. Yes, it is called digestion. The process of breaking down into food into simpler substance is called digestion. So, what is digestion here, children? Digestion andre ಏನು? See, the food we eat, the process of breaking down our food substance into simpler substance. The process of breaking down of the food into simpler substance is called digestion. Yes, the food we eat have special substance which help the body in different ways. So, the food what we are eating, that is a special substance which help the body in different ways. So, what the food we are eating, it is a special substance. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೈತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ. So, the substance are called nutrients. The substance which our body is using from the food we eat, that is called the nutrients. Now, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals are different types of nutrients. So, here now I will analyze you and tell you, this is nutrients. Yes, this is nutrients. In these nutrients, what are there? What are there here? In these nutrients, you can see fats are there. Yes, carbohydrates. Yes, next. proteins, vitamins, and minerals. These are together is called nutrients. Yes, nutrients comprises all this, contains all this. What are they are? Fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These all together is called nutrients. Got it? That is used by our body to function our body. They provide energy. What does this nutrients? Okay, here. Carbohydrates. Now let us study about carbohydrates and fats now first. Let us study about the carbohydrates and fats firstly. Carbohydrates or fats are called energy giving food. These two are called energy giving food. What they are? They are energy giving food. They give energy to our body. Yes, they are called energy giving food. They provide energy to the body. They also provide warmth. Needed by the body. Some foods are rich in carbohydrates are rice, wheat, potato and sugar. So what are the foods that are rich in carbohydrates? The rice, potato, wheat and sugar. These are the items which are giving, which are therein comprising the carbohydrates. Now next, we need a very little fat. Extra fat is stored in the body to be used later. Oil, butter, ghee are some of the sources of fat. So yes, we need fat to our body. The oil substance or the ghee, the milk, this all curd, this all substance we need. These fatty things we have to eat. Okay. Yes, but extra fat thing what is there, what we take in our intake when we are taking them, that extra fat is being stored. Yes, it is being stored and it is used when it is required. So, but actually what our body needs fat. So it need a little limited quantity of fat. But the accumulated fat is used for the higher work or the work which is very tough. So these all is about the fats and carbohydrates. Now let us talk about the proteins. Yes, in these nutrients we find all this fats, carbohydrates, proteins. Yes, now proteins are called the bodybuilding. How? These are energy giving food. Like that, proteins are bodybuilding. They are bodybuilding foods. Proteins are bodybuilding foods. They help us body to grow and repair our body. They help in food bodybuilding and repairing our body and damaged cells. They repair all the damaged cells in our body. Now what are the food contains come under proteins? You can say pulses like bele kalu. You can say milk, cheese, soya bean, egg and fish, meat. These all are rich in proteins. What are they? Rice. Yes, here. What are they? Pulses, milk, fish, meat, soya, egg, beans. These all are pulses. All come under the proteins. They are what type of food they are? They are bodybuilding and repairing our body. They are the and also they are repairing our cells. Next comes the vitamins. What is happening with vitamins? Yes, you go to doctor. He say no, this is vitamin deficiency. A vitamin deficiency, C vitamin deficiency. Like that he is giving some name. So deficiency means what? Vitamin ನಮ್ಮ body ಒಳಗ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So these vitamins should be taken in our food. Intake in our food we have to take these vitamins. Yes. How we are taking? How many types of vitamins are there? Let us see here. Vitamins are the nutrients that keep the body healthy. So through these vitamins we keep our body is healthy. It keeps our body healthy. So here how many types of vitamins are there? There are different types of vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K. Okay, how many are there? There are 6 types of vitamin A, B, C, D and vitamin E and K. With fresh fruits and vegetables, meat and egg, whole grains or cereals are some of the sources of vitamins. So here what things come under vitamins is the whole grains means what? ತುಂಬಿದ ಕಾಳು, ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಳು, ಅಲಸಂದಿ ಕಾಳು, ಈ ಕಾಳು ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಾಳು whole ಕಾಳು that the whole grain that is good in vitamins. Yes, and also you can say fresh vegetables, fruits and meat, egg, these all come under the vitamins. Yes, minerals. What do minerals do to our body? Yes, yes. We are not taking separately. Fat vary, carbohydrate vary, minerals vary, vitamins vary. Everything is going into our body through food. Yes, yes. Minerals. Minerals are natural substance such as iron, calcium, and iodine solution, sodium, and phosphorus that are required in small quantity by the body. So minerals means what? Minerals means ಈ ಖನಿಜಗಳು ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಳಗೆ ಖನಿಜ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಐರನ್, ಕಾಪರ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಅಂತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೂ ಸಮ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ? ಲೈಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಸೋಡಿಯಂ, ಎಸ್, iodine, calcium, iron, these all are the minerals that our body need to function our body. Yes, what are they? And what are these doing? They are required in small quantity by the body. And from where we are getting minerals? We are getting minerals from milk, meat, fish, egg, pulses, and fruits are good source of minerals. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ನೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಮೀಟ್, ಫಿಶ್, ಎಗ್, ಪಲ್ಸಸ್, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ items. Yes, food rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective food. So the food which are rich in minerals, food nutritious ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, rich in minerals ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ರಿಚ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್? ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್, ದೇ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್. Protective type of food. Yes, this is protective food. Means it is protecting our body to fight against the diseases. It is protecting our body to fight against the diseases. It is giving immunity power. It is giving immunity power. In addition to this, because they protect the body from various diseases, in addition to these nutrients, the body also needs water and roughage. So, apart from all these carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, we also need another type of food, that is roughage. That is called roughage and water. Roughage and water. Yes. So that water, and without water, the process of digestion cannot take place. Yes, the process of digestion cannot take place. So just I will recorrect the lesson, and the other part of the lesson I will take in the next class. Let us see now food and health. Yes, why we need food I told you just now, and you know, because it is a basic need, like how without food and without water we can't live. Yes, food is very essential for our body to function our body. So here all the food, these type of foods, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, these all together they are called nutrients. Yes, in nutrients what is happening? Fats and carbohydrates, they are energy giving food. Yes, and the proteins and vitamins, they are the proteins are the body building food, and here vitamins and minerals together they are called the protective food. They are they are protecting our body from attack of diseases. They are helping our body to attack against the diseases. Yes, till now I taught you this lesson, children. Read the lesson and try to answer the you do this table here. The table here. This table, if you do, you can understand the lesson clearly. Yes, what things are needed, and what things in vitamins, what is there, minerals, what is there, in carbohydrates, what food we are getting, and in proteins, what is there. This all you can get in this lesson here. You do this table, children. Okay, children? Thank you. I will continue the next lesson, next part in the next lesson, next class.